Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day on days that I actually decide to do food videos. Um, this morning I wasn't too hungry when I woke up, so I just drank some water, but I do want to eat a little something, not too much because then I'll be making lunch and I am going to film it, so I'll just eat that. But I'm starting out with some papaya, and I like to put some lime juice on my papaya. And then I also have some lychee that I'm going to have as well. And this will just be like a little something before I eat in a little bit. So this is what we're starting out with. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but I am filming both lunch and dinner that I'm making today. And I also plan on baking something as well. So that's like 3 different things. If you've never had lychees before, it's a mild tropical fruit. You do want to peel them, and they'll have a pit in the middle. It's a large brown seed looking thing, and you do not want to eat that, but they're really good. If they're dried out, they're not good. So right now though, they've been pretty nice in the store. So I've peeled back the skin, and then the seed is inside. And this is my lunch today. I'm hitting it with some lemon, and that's it. Let's see. It is so good. The last time I made this was, I don't know, years ago. They're so good though. It's a treat, but I only made 1 batch of flowers. So this is my lunch today. I'm gonna enjoy it immensely. And I'm just drinking water as of right now. I might have something later with dinner, but I'm going to enjoy this and then continue on. By the way, I will be linking down the videos for these recipes that I'm prepping. So in case you didn't catch them earlier, you can definitely go back and check it out. So here's the thing about fried food and me. I don't make it very often, and I don't have it very often. However, when I do, I like to finish with something else, something like a piece of fruit or something, maybe fizzy water, something a little bit more fresh. So I'm having some cherries as well. And I'm probably gonna have a snack later on too. My lovely cherries that are completely overpriced this year. So it's about like a couple of hours after I've had lunch, and I'm gonna have a snack. I made some tzatziki sauce, or it's not quite authentic because I didn't have dill for it. But anyways, so I'm gonna have it with some rye crackers. And again, this is just a snack also for quality control because we are having it later for dinner, but there's plenty. So I'm gonna have this as a snack and maybe a piece of fruit or something, just a little, something. And also, since the yogurt sauce or tzatziki sauce had garlic in it, again, I'm tasting the garlic and I really want to end that flavor, so it's gonna be fruit again. So I'm gonna have a peach. I kind of want to see how sweet these are as well, because I wanted to make a peach or some kind of a fruit crumble. Okay, so I am starting to actually cook dinner, and I was doing some flatbread, and I just want to test it out to see for doneness, if I need to cook it longer or not. So I'm going to snack on a little bit of flatbread with some of the yogurt, cucumber yogurt that I did earlier. Just, you know. This is really good.